Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be unboxing and testing out the Dyson Airstrait on my type 4 coily hair because I've got a mix of type 4B, 4C on my hair. So yeah, I'm going to be testing out this product and I'll let you guys know what I think about it. The good thing about this product is it acts as a straightener to dry your hair from wet to dry, and also it helps blow dry your hair. But I wouldn't call this product the kind of product that you use for a silk press because it doesn't do super silky straight hair. I've washed my hair. My hair is washed. It might not look wet, but it is wet. Like, I'm even touching it. Some of the water is like dripping on me right now. But yeah, so the good thing about this product is that is what it's made for. And it uses air, which is brilliant because I'm focused on healthy hair. So this product uses air to dry your hair instead of heat, which I feel like is better. If you're trying to avoid heat damage, then you need this product. It also has no hot plates and no extreme heat. So yeah, this is the box. I got my Dyson in the Black Friday sale, and it also came with this case. So this case is free if you buy the strawberry hair straightener, and this is my hair straightener. I've plugged it on to the socket, so this is what it is right now. I can't show you like the full product. Anyway, it's just the cord really. But this is the Airstrait, and I got this in the Black Friday sale, and it came with this one free. It also came with this heat mat. So this is the heat mat, closer view of the heat mat, and this is just for you to place your straightener on it whilst you blow dry your hair. So I'm just going to touch up again with some water. Just spray, a bit of water on my hair just so that it is wetter. It is wet already, but yeah, I think it's, air drying for now. So a bit more water will do. Here is a button where you can open the tool really. And we also have some buttons here. So the first button is the power button. I'm going to press it on. It is on now. And it's telling me to press the second button to set my language. So I'm just going to press the second button now, and it shows English over there. So I'm going to click on the third button to select English. So yeah, the third button is to select English. So English has been set. The next button is the Celsius or Fahrenheit. I use Celsius, so I'm going to click on the circle, and now it's telling me to switch off my device. So it's cleaning. So it cleans itself, so you don't have to clean it, but it cleans itself, which is brilliant, isn't it? I set a wet settings really, so from low heat to high heat. So we're going to do that right now. So I'm going to increase the fan to high, and then this red button on the top is for the temperature. So as you can, if you press it, it will select different temperatures. Guys, sorry, I hope you guys can see it from here. Can you see it? Good. So I'm just going to set it again. So I set it on 140 degrees. So that is the highest heat setting. So now I'm going to blow dry my hair. So I'm just going to take it in sections. So another good thing about the Airstrait is when you leave it down, it stays silent, like it goes off on standby, when you leave it down to rest somewhere. So that's good to kind of save some power, in the device. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my hair in sections and apply some heat protector on the hair. So the heat protector I'm using is L'Oreal. I hope it's good. I just bought it, recently because my Fenty one finished. So you might not even need a heat protector because this blow dries the hair with air. So it should, not damage your hair with heat. So I'm going to kind of blow dry my roots first, because the straightener doesn't touch the roots. And now I'm going to get in. Okay. So guys, look at the difference. Just one try. Let's go second. So you can see the difference. You can see the difference in just one go. So I'm going to go again, second go, just to see how much of a difference it is. But look at the difference, guys. It's already straightening my hair. Wow, amazing, guys, amazing. I'm impressed. Look at my hair when I started my hair, and look, that is amazing. One more go. This is so cool. This is so cool. So this is like the blow dried, standard of, hair. So now I'm going to change it to dry. So what I'm going to do is, let me see. So this second button is where you change it to dry. And this is the dry setting now. I'm going to go to the top button to set the temperature. So right now it's set on boost. So boost is the highest dry setting that you can set it. So let's go again. So with the boost, my hair feels a lot hotter and drier. I'm going again. Awesome. Guys, what do you think? This is awesome. This is like a nicely straightened hair, and my hair looks longer, so yeah, I'm impressed with this, So yeah, I'm going to do the same thing all around my hair. So just to speed up the process, right? Okay, let's go again. Guys, look at this. I'm really happy with this. I'm so happy with this. So I'm going to do this for all around my hair. So you guys, I'm gonna have to speed this up. So I'm just gonna pack this to take it out of the way whilst I concentrate on the other parts of my hair. So you have to go little by little, little by little on the hair. Take little parts of the hair. Do not take big chunks because it might not really blow dry to the standard that you're after. Just take little chunks, and always remember to set it on wet first. Blow dry your roots. Before you start, and go slowly. So I go 3 times with the wet setting and 2 times with the dry setting. So I go 3 times with the wet setting and then 2 times with the dry setting, because as you know, type 4 hair can be so stubborn to straighten. So that's what I'm doing for the hair to kind of, you know, get it to the texture that I want it to get to. I finished with the back of my hair, so it was quite a stretch to get there and blow dry it, but yeah, this is the finished look. So let me put my hair down and see how we've come so far. So you have to take it in little sections, so you have to do it little by little. I noticed that if you do big chunks, you might not get the straightened look that you're after. So what I would advise you to do is take it little by little, do little bits first, and yeah. So, but so far so good. I'm really liking the straightened, blow dried look of my hair right now. My hair looks way stretched, it looks stretched, it looks straightened. It's not giving silk pressed, but it's giving straightened, and it looks really, really good like this. I don't know why some people think winter time is the best time to have a silk press. I'm not of that school of thought. I feel like summer is the best time to have a silk press because the days are usually sunnier, so your silk press will last longer. But then in the winter time, it can be, you know, quite humid, you know, wet, rain, everything. So your silk press would literally not last in winter time. But I feel it will last longer in the summertime, and that's the best time for me to do a silk press, because I've tried doing a silk press in autumn and it was a nightmare. Some days were nice because it was sunny some days, but then the other days it was just a mess because you're dodging the rain, you're dodging, you know, foggy weather. It's just, you know, not ideal for me. However, I'm really loving my blow dry today. So this product it's not too heavy, but it has some weight to it, but it's not too heavy. But it's a nice colorway whereby we've got like the pink and the kind of strawberry gold color, and then it has some blue highlights here and there. It's a nice design. When it comes to straightening my hair, I noticed that I had to go multiple times to straighten the hair, and that then increases the time, you know, that you have to use to do your hair. So it could take you about 30 to 45 minutes or even an hour, depending on how, you know, thick and full your hair is. So my hair, I used to think my hair was not quite full, but I think my hair is quite full. So it took me about 40 to 45 minutes to finish all of my hair. And also, you have to take it in little bits. I think I've mentioned that before, but you have to take it in little bits in order to do it. Do you need gloves when you blow dry with this? Yes, you might need gloves, because sometimes when you're straightening your hair, you know, this air vent will be touching your skin and it could get hot. Or, you know, when you're touching the hair as well, sometimes the hair might be really hot when you touch it. But it's not something that you really need a glove for. You can miss the glove if you want, but if you want to wear gloves, you can wear gloves. I didn't wear gloves and I'm fine. I don't have any burns on my skin or anything, but I'm just letting you know that it can get hot. So what else? Well, there's really not much I can say again about this blow dryer. I call it a blow dryer because I just feel like it does the work of a blow dryer. Yes, one more thing before I forget. The roots of your hair needs to be heated up as well. So what I do is I put the vents on my roots before I start straightening the hair. That way the roots of my hair can get a little bit of heat to it. So far so good. I'm loving it. You know, it's pretty much straightforward to use. It's easy to use, straightforward. It does the job that it says it does. I can go out with my hair like this and feel good about myself. I like what I see. So I got mine in the Black Friday sale and they knocked £100 off. It is quite pricey. This tool is quite pricey. So I think the best time to get it is in the Black Friday sale. So yeah, why I got it is because it only uses air, so there's no heat damage whatsoever. So that is brilliant for me. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below. Let me know what type of hair you have. Type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4. Let me know in the comments down below. What kind of styling do you do to your hair? Do you like it straightened? Do you like it curly? Do you like it coily? Or even, you know, if you like extensions and stuff, go let me know in the comments down below. And also check out my brand, Happy by Z. I sell raw hair extensions to help you look your best to any occasion and just, you know, feel good about yourself. So if you love raw hair extensions, I've got quality 100% raw hair extensions in my store, happybyz.co.uk. Go check it out ASAP. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Do not forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so that you can get instant notifications each time I share a new video. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.